Somehow I just took a picture of myself.
Took a picture of yourself?
Yeah. Hi everyone. Hope you're all having a good day. Today is a big day, I feel, because we're going to Gage's 5th grade graduation.
5th grade graduation.
And Winston has his very last day at his school / daycare where he's been going since he was like a year and a half.
You've really been going that long?
Yeah. So it's just like a big thing that's changing. All of our kids go to different schools next year. So this is the last year they'll be in these schools. So a lot of change. Change is kind of hard. Do you think change is hard?
I think change is good because that's just 1 year closer to them moving out of the house.
Do you really feel that way?
Yes.
I was telling Casey, I actually posted this on my Instagram. Last night Layla put her little flip-flops on. Her toes were all like wrong. She had a messy face. She was carrying all sorts of things, like pretending that they were something else. And it made me so emotional, and I was like trying not to cry. And Casey was like, why? Because Casey's better at living in the moment, I feel. I'm get stuck in like,
I never want this to end, and this is our baby, and she's growing so fast.
So, a reminder, live in the moment because moments go by so quickly.
Live in the moment is what I'd like to say.
Live in the moment?
Live in the moment.
Live in the moment. So, anyways, we're going to Gage's graduation.
Sure, it's gonna be stellar.
We're walking. It's a beautiful day. Hopefully the rain is done for a while. I thought it was still supposed to be raining. Reminds me of California when we used to walk. Let's hold hands.
Let's walk closer.
I saw somewhere that is a key to making a relationship last longer is if you hold hands.
I'd say more.
It's brother.
Where's your hat?
Good job, guys.
Congratulations, sir. Very good job graduating from elementary school. Are you ready for junior high? What is life? How's this happening already? Tiny little Gager.
I don't want to go in elementary school, and I also don't want to go in
Junior high, yeah.
so I'll just stay home.
Does anyone remember, I'm gonna leave a link down below, from when Gage did, what was that, things 3-year-olds say? What was that video called? They were like, trendy, Casey. It was on your channel. I was really trying to get this lock open. This is Gage's lock, we can't get it open. Anyways, I'll leave a link down below. So it was really funny. What is it?
Pull it hard.
Help.
Turn around and stop that thing under full shackle.
You have to pull the shackle?
Guess what?
What?
Chicken nuggets will make made out of chicken backpacks.
You're right. How was your last day at school? It was good?
I'm gonna miss my trip.
You're gonna what?
Miss my trip tomorrow.
Your trip?
Yeah.
Oh.
Mommy.
You?
I don't
You had a good day? There she is.
want to hang out with nobody.
You can hang out with me all the time. You want to? What? What about with Layla? You can hang out with Layla all the time? Layla, do you want to hang out with me all the time? What?
I'm gonna hang out with Fortnite dudes.
Fortnite dudes?
Yeah.
Who are Fortnite dudes?
Fortnite dudes. I'm a Fortnite Dawson and Fortnite done.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Honey, do you want to hang out with me?
Count me in.
Thanks. Because I don't.
Count me in.
I've been sad all day. They don't even want to hang out with me. Fine.
Count
Fine.
me in.
Count you in too?
Yeah.
What about you, Layla? You too?
Everybody gets to count in. We all like you.
Oh my
We have a new
goodness. We have a new dog? So who's this new dog? She's new?
I miss
Do you know that we've actually had her for quite a while? Almost 6 months.
Bronx.
She's almost been our puppy for 6 months now.
Bronx.
We had Bronxy for a long time too, huh? And that's our new little puppers, and she's so cute. Her belly looks much better, huh? She's doing great.
Look at her little tiny feet.
Oh, those are cute little tiny feet, Rose.
I play with cross.
I know you do. You're so good.
I don't want Did you see me get a ponytail?
Yes. You're so good. Does she like playing with you?
Yeah.
Do you know when puppies play, they kind of like to bite a little bit. That's why she does that, because she's just playing, huh?
Remember my doggies from the ship store?
Yep, I do remember, and they light up. Pretty darn cool. You've lost those a lot. You just found them again?
What's him?
Who's it?
What the?
What the? You're cutie. And this is Rose. She was just laying on this blanket, but this is her favorite little spot to sit, and she looks outside, and it's so adorable. I mean, it looks pretty cozy. Does that look like a pretty cozy bed? You gonna try it out? Try it out. Hop up right here. Hop up right here, Winston. Is that nice? You want to sleep right there?
Yeah.
I think you're too big.
I'm not.
Gage and I are putting together his teacher's gift. I put the kids together last night, and of course I forgot to vlog it, because that's how I do.
I can't believe it's the end of the school year.
I know, crazy, huh? I will put a little picture right here if you want to see what I did for the kids' teachers. There are 13, and they all kind of teach other classes. The kids, obviously, Layla and Winston have different teachers, but they all just kind of help out, and I love them all. Like, it makes me happy to see all of them. So we wanted to get everyone something, so I just got a cute little plant at Hobby Lobby, and then I just stuck different little gift cards in there. And luckily the TJ Maxx gift cards had flowers on it, so it was adorable. Layla was looking for me for my phone, obviously. Okay, so we're gonna put these together now. So we had an original idea. I will leave it linked down below. It's a great gift idea. I like this for any gift. I've done it for Mother's Day, teacher's gifts. It's a great gift for anyone. If you don't really know what to get someone, you're like, oh, I know what everyone loves, a gift card. This is just a really fun way to give a gift card. So for Gage's, we went with the original base, which is a candle. And we found this one at Hobby Lobby. It says inspire, which I thought was great for a teacher because teachers are so inspiring. And we're just taking skewers, just wood skewers. And I found these cute clips at Hobby Lobby. Love the color. And I'm just gluing them on the top. And I have also cut out some petals. And I'm gonna have Gage write a little note to his teacher. We'll have one say, thank you for helping me grow, because that's the theme of this gift. Where is it? Right here. And then you can just write a couple of things that your teacher did to help you grow. So, it's a fun idea, right? Anyways, and then once everything is ready to go, you stick the skewers in, clip the petal with the camera died earlier, and then it was just pure chaos. So much crying today. Anyways, this is what you do. This is what it looks like finished. And you just stick the skewers into the wax and it will hold it into place. And then we just added petals, put the gift cards on, and that's a cute little gift, right? I love this. Anyways, I will leave a link to the original, because the original was just like one with a flower, and then we did it a little bit different. So I'll leave a link for that if you want to check it out. If you do make these, I would love to see pictures. I always love seeing you guys create my DIYs, or just if I suggest something, it makes me so happy to see if you guys do it. So anyways, it is late, everyone's in bed. I am getting ready to go to bed. Today was an emotional day. It was a really good day. So many things are changing, and change can be hard, but good. I'm really excited for summer. All just reminders to live in the moment, or live in the moment, like Casey says. Anyways, let me know some of your plans for the summertime. Do you like make a bucket list? I want to do that. We do a lot of camping, and I just can't wait. I can't wait just for like days at home with the whole family together. Those are my favorite. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.